Today, we're delving into a hypothetical scenario in our solar system. Let's replace Sun with one Sun mass equivalent black hole. Black hole is deployed. Let's make zero velocity. As we can see, nothing is changed. All the planets continue their orbits unaffected because gravitational pull remain as it is. Let's look how it affects our Earth. Ice Age has come back on Earth. With the absence of the sun's heat and light, a rapid cooling process ensues. Now let's replace the Sun with Sagittarius A star supermassive black hole. Sagittarius A star is a supermassive black hole located at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. It is 30 times wider than our Sun, and its mass equivalent to 4.3 million suns. This colossal black hole possesses a gravitational force so strong that it devours everything in its path. It starts swallowing all planet. Observe the Jupiter's velocity toward the black hole. Now, let's try 10 million sun mass equivalent supermassive black hole. It destroys whole solar system with its gigantic gravitational force. Thanks for the watching.